Here is a simple way to organize your writing when you are explaining something. The TIDE strategy. This method helps your writing stay focused and easy to understand. T is for topic sentence. This is the first sentence of your paragraph. It introduces your main idea and tells the reader exactly what the paragraph will be about. For example, bees are important to the environment because they are great pollinators. I is for important evidence. This is a piece of proof that supports your topic sentence. It could be a fact, a statistic, or a quote. This is what makes your writing believable. For example, the United States Department of Agriculture states that bees pollinate 80% of the flowering plants on Earth. D is for detailed explanation. This is where you explain your evidence. You can add a few sentences that tell the reader how your evidence proves your topic sentence. For example, as bees fly from one flower to the next, they pick up pollen, which helps the plants produce new seeds. Without this process, many fruits and vegetables would not exist. E is for ending sentence. This is the last sentence of your paragraph. It wraps up your idea and connects back to your topic sentence. It should summarize the main point you just made. For example, because bees help so many plants grow, they are a vital part of our ecosystem. Now you can use the TIDE strategy to make your writing clear and well organized.